Seventh grade. What's up, guys? Mr. James back here in the chamber. Still missing you guys, but I do have to say, watching your PE workout videos and your lower body circuits, excellent work, excellent work. Some of you guys are looking very fit. Those of you that are having some trouble with some of the movements, just stick with it. You'll get stronger, I promise. Trust me, right? But today I want to talk about what we're going to do in health this week. We're going to have a test on Chapter 9, uh, the chapter on alcohol, which we've been going over these last few weeks. I know you guys know the material pretty well, judging by your awesome presentations last week and the advertisements you did. Most of them were awesome, really informative, and I think you guys really grasped the basic concept behind the chapter and why alcohol consumption is bad for you, especially underage, something we're going to stay away from. So in preparation for our test, I want you guys to really focus on the key terms in the chapter, which you normally do, but I also want you to spend some specific focus on the following figures, okay? I want you to look at figure 9.2 on page 267. It talks about the specific effects that alcohol has on different parts of the body, how it affects your heart, how it affects your brain, how it affects your liver function. Those are the things that you should know for this test. Also, figure 9.3 on page 273, which talks about the neuromuscular connection and how alcohol affects your coordination. Something that, as an athlete, is very important. When you drink alcohol, as you may know, you are slowing down the connectivity between your motor neurons and your muscles. So that makes you kind of fumble all over the place. So how can that be a problem when you're trying to do a specific task? I want you guys to make sure you know that stuff for the test as well. And lastly, another figure to focus on is figure 9.6, when it lists all the benefits of avoiding alcohol. What kind of things do you gain from not using alcohol irresponsibly? I want you to know all those so that you're well prepared for our test on Thursday. Food journals due tonight, March 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day, by midnight. So some of you have already submitted them early. Awesome job. Some of you I haven't received yet. So make sure you get those to me by tonight. They should be in the Google Doc form. And then once we get back to school, we can just print those pages out and you can staple them into your current food journal. So that's it for me now. If you guys have any questions, I'll be on Google Hangout during our normal class time, and you can just shoot me a comment or start a conversation. My Google Hangout email address is thefresh1mrjames@gmail.com. Look forward to hearing from you guys. I miss you. I will talk to you guys soon. All right.